Man.
My name is Darius Wesley. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio.
What exactly is a doula? A doula. D-O-U-L-A, a doula.
Oh, a doula is it could be. I don't know if it could be male or female, but I believe that most doulas are females who specialize in home births.
Okay, not bad. Not you almost there. Almost there. I rock with it.
Oh, I guess doulas are from a holistic way.
Okay.
It's a holistic thing.
I'm tracking with you.
Yeah. Most
Okay.
part is holistic.
Exactly is a doula. D-O-U-L-A, a doula. D-O-U-L-A. It's a person. What exactly is a doula? Have y'all heard of a doula?
No.
No, sir. I see you cooking. I see you cooking.
A dad without a single dad?
Okay, a single dad. No, not quite. All right. You ain't never heard of it?
Never heard of it.
All right, cool. So listen, a